No, not hard. Okay, never mind.
Sit out here and not have dinner or something?
What?
That everyone should be able to hear. Before we get underway, we are required to do a Coast Guard safety briefing. Several things we need to remember. Please, no smoking inside this passage.
The show is over. You're free to go upstairs and enjoy the rest of the evening on this 2-hour cruise. It's going to be a beautiful evening here on the Tennessee Star of Knoxville and the beautiful Tennessee River. So sit back and relax. Once again, if you need anything, take care of your service tonight. They're going to
the barrel. We'll have a barrel of fun. Let's roll out the barrel. We've got the blues on the run. We're gonna have some fun. Celebrate the good old days and music, music, music. We're gonna sing and dance the night away. Have a good time, come what may, and celebrate the good old days and music, music, music. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on. You see the sun.
I wonder if you can rent those.
That's my house.
Will you bring on the rain? So stop your sighing. Just be happy again. When you're smiling, you're really smiling. You'll see the sun come shining through.
Like diamonds. Ain't okay.
Other things
Oh,
though.
the free. Oh, there. Last one over. Something on that side of the lake,
Or my Jeep. Brakes right there.
you figured out the brake.
With that, we have both of them over here going. Look, if I move this light around,